In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the design approval process in CorelDRAW.app. Before we get started, if you're watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to our tutorial page on Corel's Discovery Center. Here you can also download a written copy of this tutorial. In this example, I, as the designer, have uploaded this document to Corel Cloud, and I'm ready to submit the design to my client for approval. My client doesn't need CorelDRAW Desktop because they can access my file through CorelDRAW.app in order to mark it as approved. The file is open in CorelDRAW.app, and I'll choose File, Share File. The URL for this file is listed here. If I want to send my own email to the client, I can first set the client's role as approver. Then I'd copy the URL and include it in the email I send to the client. Or, if I want an email to be sent to the client automatically, I can enter my client's email here, change the role to Approver, and click Add. Now I can close the Share File window. To mark the file as ready, I'll go to the Comments panel and set the status to Request Approval. As the client, I'll receive an email that design approval is requested, and this email contains the link to the file. When I click the link to open the file, it opens in CorelDRAW.app, and I see a note that I can comment or annotate, as well as approve the final revision. All looks good on my end, so I'll change the status from Ready for Approval to Approved. Back on the designer side, I've received an email that my client has approved the design. And when I click the link to open the file once again in CorelDRAW.app, I see that its status is approved. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on design approval in CorelDRAW.app. If you've been watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to our tutorial page on Corel's Discovery Center. Here you can also download a written copy of this tutorial.